Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make plantain chips in two ways: frying method and the oven method. So kindly like my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and let's get down to it. Now you'll be requiring plantain that is just ripe. If you use an overly ripe plantain, it will come out very soggy and mushy and you will not like it. So I'll be using a food processor to thinly slice the plantain. You can also use a manual slicer and it's fine, but the food processor saves me a lot of stress, and you know this girl is lazy and fam. I own my laziness. So transfer into a bowl and season. I like my plantain chips seasoned actually, so I'll be seasoning with some yaji, some lemon pepper seasoning, some peri peri, which combines different peppers. Give that a good stir and pour that into our plantain slices. Yep, pour that up and mix it. It was looking like it was going to be hard work or getting all of them, so I transferred to my hand and started mixing with my hand, as you can see. So once all slices have been mixed, then you just transfer into a baking sheet. Yep, just like that, and put into the oven for about 200 degrees for about like 15-20 minutes thereabout. Yeah, just look at that, coming out nicely. So for the frying method, add oil, add a bit of onion, and then place your plantain slices one at a time inside, and it should not be too much inside the frying pan. If not, it will come out soggy. And fry till it's golden brown. Guys, just look at this. Look at that crunch. Did you hear that? It is so good. So on the right side I have the oven one, and on the left side I have the fried one. Now, the one I use in the oven is a bit malleable. I feel if you need to get the crunch, you need to add a bit of oil. Then for the fried side, did you hear that crunch? Like, oh my god. Yes, guys. Yep, this is the fried one, my favorite, my preference, and it's ready. Thank you so much for going on this journey with me. Now you have snacks for like ever. Until next time, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah.